You launch a new ad campaign. The dashboard lights up with thousands of clicks. But when you check the actual sales, the number is 0. Most marketers assume a fake click is a contained loss. A bot clicks an ad, the advertiser loses the specific dollar spent on that interaction, and the campaign moves on. The bot lands on the website and triggers the tracking pixel. Meta and Google algorithms rely on this data to find similar users. By recording a bot, the platform builds a polluted target profile, actively hunting identical scripts. The entire campaign budget automatically pivots. The machine learning model heavily optimizes itself to acquire a massive, expensive audience of software scripts. A single bot wastes the initial dollar spent. Worse, it trains the algorithm to waste the rest of the budget, aggressively degrading your return on ad spend. To protect the algorithm, you have to stop fake data from entering the system. The click must be intercepted before it gets anywhere near the website's tracking pixel. This is the exact function of Trivo. On the surface, it appears to be a standard URL shortener. Internally, it operates as a high-speed firewall. This diagram shows the filtration process. Trivo analyzes the incoming profile in under 5 milliseconds, splitting the traffic with 99.2% accuracy. Non-human traffic hits a dead end instantly. The connection drops, ensuring the bot never sees the landing page and the pixel never fires. This early interception provides secondary benefits. Software companies avoid fake signups in their databases, and digital publishers avoid fraud flags. Meanwhile, legitimate human clicks pass cleanly through the node, arriving at the marketplace without noticeable delay. By pre-validating every click, Trivo shifts the defense perimeter. Advertisers no longer rely on the vulnerable landing page to catch fraud. The threat is neutralized out at the link itself. Once the perimeter is secure, the data flowing to ad platforms changes completely. Machine learning models receive a concentrated diet of verified human behavior. Because the pixel only registers actual people, the target profiles it generates are entirely accurate. It stops hunting for scripts and starts isolating real buyers. The pattern matching engine finally has the correct patterns to analyze. Conversion rates naturally rise, pushing return on ad spend higher, zeroing in on profitable demographics. This purity also affects the publisher side of the industry. Networks like Adstera constantly monitor how visitors interact with ads to judge the overall quality of a website's traffic. Since only real people are reaching the page, engagement goes up. Ad networks classify the site as a high-quality source, pushing the cost per mil, the amount paid per 1,000 views, significantly higher. Filtering out bad traffic stops the immediate budget bleed. It also actively trains the advertising platforms to do their jobs correctly, allowing the algorithm to generate actual profit. Professional media buyers require empirical data to audit their traffic sources. Blind trust isn't an option when allocating millions in ad spend. Trivo's real-time dashboard breaks down up to 90 days of traffic, segmenting exact human versus bot volume. If a specific source ID sends pure junk, it's instantly visible. Marketers can blacklist that ID directly, cutting off bad traffic at its source. Trivo packages this data into independent audit reports, built specifically for digital agencies handling client budgets. Instead of vaguely explaining why a campaign underperformed, agencies present undeniable proof. They show exactly how many thousands of bots were blocked and precisely how much budget was saved. Every click in a modern ad campaign serves a dual purpose. Advertisers pay for the immediate site visitor and for the behavioral data used to train the machine learning algorithm. Ensuring your campaigns train exclusively on human behavior protects your marketing budget. Secure your first 5 links on Trivo for free right now, with no credit card required.